So today I would like to share from some of the recent interaction I had with students who have just started learning German and those who are planning to learn German and they feel that German language is a very difficult language actually. So I have 3 suggestions or 3 points which I think motivate you to learn the language. One is that the very difficult thing these students find is the articles in German language of every object. But if you notice that even in our mother tongue, for example, I am a Hindi speaker, we also have this concept of gender of the objects, which we show through matras, and same in German we show it with the article words. Second thing is that if you just started learning German, please use this online dictionary which is leo.org, L-E-O-E-O, which doesn't even only tell you the meaning of the word, but it has the speaker button over there which tells you the pronunciation of this word. And third, and the very most important thing is, when you are learning any language, then you are not supposed to use the whole language every day. You have very limited structures and the vocabulary which actually allows you to speak and making sentences. So that is what you need to achieve, and that's the same with German. So you need to have a good command of a particular structures and the particular vocabulary as a first step which allows you to speak German, and then it's a process. You can keep adding the sentences and the vocabulary and the structure. So I think this will motivate you to learn German, and those who think that it's difficult and learning, keep learning. It's a process. You will make it.